Hi there, it's Ernest from Trip Astute. Today we're doing a follow-up video on the Chase travel portal and showing how you can use it to book tours and boutique hotels. We recently did a video on how to redeem Chase Ultimate Reward points where I reviewed the two main ways that I use points to book my travel. One of the ways that we covered was the Chase travel portal, and a couple of folks reached out to us wanting more clarifications on when to use the Chase travel portal over transferring points to a travel partner. So in this video, I'm going to share some instances where it makes more sense for you to use the Chase travel portal over transferring points. For me, the most common use case for using the Chase travel portal is with independent hotels and tours. Most boutique hotels and bed and breakfast places do not belong to a large hotel chain or have a loyalty program, so you won't have the option of transferring points to complete your booking. For example, if I wanted to book an independent hotel in Sedona, Arizona, I could actually reserve it via the Chase travel portal and use points to pay for part of or the entire booking. With this option, you can redeem at either 1.25 or 1.5 cents per point, which is a decent rate. This makes a card function almost like a flat rate rewards card, similar to the way you might redeem points on a Capital One Venture card or one of the Barclaycard Arrival cards. The same holds true for activities and tours. You can book them via the Chase travel portal and use your points in the same way. A quick search on Cancun shows that you can purchase tickets to most of the attractions in advance, as well as shuttle rides and private transportation to and from the airport, and pay for it using your points. I actually wish I had searched for some of the places we visited on our European trip during the holidays. We actually could have avoided the ticket lines at some of the places we visited and even used our points to pay for the admission. So I hope this gives you some additional ideas on how you can use your Chase Ultimate Reward points. I think it really highlights why this program is one of the most popular travel rewards programs. It gives you so much flexibility when redeeming points for travel. If you do decide to use the Chase travel portal for these bookings, here are a couple things to keep in mind. Number 1, portal bookings can earn you bonus points and miles. If you decided not to use your points and pay the rate instead, you'll earn the triple or double bonus depending on your card. This can be useful for categories that are bookable through the site, but generally are listed as non-travel categories, like tours and attractions. For example, when we paid for admission to the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, we paid using our Sapphire Reserve, but did not receive any bonus points. However, had we booked the tickets via the Chase travel portal, we would have earned the extra points and probably saved some time in line. Number 2, portal bookings can be more difficult to cancel or change. One of the drawbacks of using the Chase travel portal is that your bookings are handled by Chase rather than directly with the hotel or airline. This can make it difficult to change itineraries or reserve seats. We covered this in our other video, so check it out for more details. Number 3, redemption rates depend on your premium Chase card. Just a reminder that the redemption rate on the Chase travel portal is dependent on the type of premium card that you have. So if you have the Sapphire Preferred, you'll redeem 1.25 cents per point, and if you have the Sapphire Reserve, you'll redeem at 1.5 cents. Have you used the Chase travel portal to book an independent hotel or tour? If so, please share your experience in the comment section below. Also, let us know if you have any questions. If you're interested in applying for any of the cards mentioned in this video, check out the credit card offers page on our website for the latest offers. We do get a percentage if you use our link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps us to continue creating content for this channel. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Also, sign up for our newsletter on our website for travel articles, updates, and giveaways. Until next time, travel safe and travel smart.